Hey, I heard you went on a trip.
Yeah, I went to France.
Oh, really? Was the trip there smooth?
Yeah, but they had to replace a part on the plane before we left.
Oh, really? What part?
It's called a thrust lever.
What's that? Today we're here at Goal's Machine and we're going to see how the thrust lever is made.
Get a print from the customer. The customer will give us all the specifications of what kind of materials, what kind of coatings or hardnesses the materials have to be. And then we put it through an estimating system to come up with a basic price. If we win the contract, then we go into the engineering phase where we will come up with all different operations.
How is this made?
First we start off is we get a solid model and we bring it into our programming software. This is already set up, as you can see. I have a vise right here. So my vise is already set up. So for when I simulate, I can actually see if I'm going to be hitting anything in the machine. The model, I can manipulate the model to be in any position I want.
Well, our customer gives us all the specifications through the prints we have to follow. They'll be dimensional. There'll also be the physical properties of material. We have to stick with the specified material, and then once they're done, or once they start the manufacturing process out there, they'll typically make the first one. They give it to me. What I'll do is use a CMM here, a bunch of other gauges I have here, to verify that everything is correct on this print. Until that point, they're not allowed to make anything until I give them the okay.
I had such a fun time at Goal's.
Yeah, I never knew so much about a thrust lever.
Yeah, I never knew they made that type of stuff in our backyard.
I wonder what else Goal's makes.